In today's episode, I'll show you the complete process of installing a turbocharger in the Mercedes-AMG M157 V8 biturbo engine. This unit offers enormous potential. It's installed in models such as the E63, CLS63, and ML63 AMG. We'll start by preparing the surfaces and components, which I've already prepared on the assembly bench, and then we'll walk you through the entire assembly process step by step. Ready? Let's get started. Install new exhaust manifold gaskets, ensuring proper flow direction. Lightly seat the manifolds on the bolts and tighten only after they are fully seated. For the M157 engine, the tightening torque is 25 Nm plus 90 degrees. Check both sides for any interference with the turbocharger mounting. Each turbocharger is precisely lubricated with oil and liquid-cooled. Before installation, it's a good idea to fill them with a small amount of fresh engine oil. This prevents a dry start. I gently turn the rotor with my fingers. It should turn easily and without resistance. Once everything is in order, we can proceed with assembly. We'll start with the driver's side. I carefully guide the turbocharger into place, being careful not to damage the oil return line. Once the turbocharger is seated evenly, I tighten the lower bolts, followed by the upper ones. Component-specific torque values. Torque values vary depending on whether you're tightening bolts connecting the turbocharger to the exhaust manifold, bolts connecting the turbocharger to the intake and exhaust pipes, other fasteners, such as those for the lubrication or cooling system. Finally, we connect the lubrication line and the pressure line to the intercooler. We've got the left side ready, so let's move on to the passenger side turbocharger. Here, the lines are at a different angle, they can't be interchanged. I install a new gasket, seat the turbocharger, and tighten it to the same torque. Finally, I connect the lubrication and cooling lines. Both turbochargers are now in place. I'm only showing one side because it's a tedious, repetitive process. Heat shields are an extremely important component. Their purpose is to protect the wiring and sensors from temperatures that can reach up to 800 degrees Celsius near the turbocharger. First, install the lower plates on the manifolds, then the upper plates covering both turbines. Tighten the bolts gently, 10 Nm is sufficient. Right now, I'm installing the downpipe that connects the turbocharger to the catalytic converter. This is a critical step for exhaust flow and boost efficiency. And again the screws, this time tighten to 35 Nm and the patience of a saint, because access to the screw from the head side causes my teeth and nerves to fall out. If you find this video interesting, please leave a comment and maybe even subscribe. And here we install the last thermal shields, tighten the screws 10 Nm. Connect the oil lines, intake and return. Use new copper washers and tighten the eye bolts to 25 Newton meters. Now connect the coolant lines to the turbocharger and back to the block. Torque 15 Newton meters. Over-tightening can damage the aluminum ends, so be careful. This is a complete turbocharger installation for the AMG M157 engine. Every detail matters, from torque to hose alignment. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in the next episode. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next stage of building the V8 biturbo engine.